One question that we get asked by our customers is, does the Flavour Blaster bubble work on drinks that are served over ice? The really unhelpful answer is sometimes. So let's break the ice on this subject and explore the reasons why it does work sometimes and doesn't work other times. The Flavour Blaster bubble doesn't work on ice most of the time because most drinks served over ice contain ice cubes from an ice machine. If the correct amount of ice cubes are used, then the surface of the drink will be uneven and some of the sharp edges of the ice will be exposed. Both of these factors will pop the bubble most of the time. Due to the low success rate of this bubble technique, we don't usually recommend this. We want you all to execute the perfect bubble and create wow moments for your guests 100% of the time. That said, like I mentioned earlier, there are in fact some times that the bubble does work on ice. So for all of you guys who are persistent and desperate to make this technique work, listen up, here are 2 hacks for you to try. Serving your cocktail over one big block of ice instead of cubes will even out the surface of the cocktail and reduce how many edges the bubble has to contend with. This technique does still require practice and a block ice program, but it does increase the bubble success rate exponentially. Take a look for yourself. How about a Tommy's Margarita? Or a gin basil smash? Or a penicillin? You name it. Finally, after all these years, the crushed ice cap technique has a practical function. Simply press crushed ice in the Mexican elbow to form a round cap. This is the perfect shape to hold a Flavour Blaster bubble, and due to the cap being wet, because it's ice, the bubble will actually last a long time. How about a bramble? Or a Mai Tai? Or a mojito? So, to summarize this week's lesson, we recommend number 1, keep the bubble away from drinks that are served over ice cubes. Save these drinks for cloche style serves. Number 2, try applying the bubble to block ice instead of cubes. And number 3, try applying the bubble to crushed ice caps. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope this video has helped. As always, like, subscribe and use the comment section to request videos. And I'll see you next time.